Our top story, Alex Murdaugh back in court again. This time, he stood before a judge on federal financial crimes charges. WSCV's Joseph Leonard is joining us from our Lowcountry newsroom to explain the outcome.
Another judge dealing a devastating blow to Alex Murdaugh today. The disbarred attorney now faces a 40-year federal sentence for stealing millions of dollars from his clients.
Alex Murdaugh deserved every single day of the sentence that he obtained today.
40 years in a prison cell. That's what a federal judge in Charleston handed down to Alex Murdaugh on Monday. Prosecutors say he stole millions in settlement money from vulnerable clients, the same ones who had fallen on hard times and desperately needed help.
It's not about the money, it's about what we lost. I lost my son. That will never be replaced.
Murdaugh turned to those victims in court and apologized for about 15 minutes, one of those being Pamela Pinckney. She was hurt in a car crash in 2009 and lost her son. Murdaugh swindled her out of $1 million.
I accept it. I forgive him. Even though what happened to me was tragic, I still love him.
But prosecutors weren't so forgiving. They say these were clients that believed Murdaugh and trusted him. But in the end, he backstabbed them.
These victims are not just names listed in a court filing. They are real people who trusted an attorney at the most difficult times of their lives, when they had lost loved ones, when they were severely injured, and they were betrayed in those vulnerable moments.
Murdaugh's attorneys argued the sentencing was unnecessary. Back in November of 2023, Judge Clifton Newman ruled Murdaugh would serve 27 years for similar crimes.
He's being prosecuted for the exact same conduct in federal court as he was in state court. There's a federal policy, it's called the Pettit policy, where you don't do that unless the federal interest is not being vindicated, and it's pretty hard to see what interests were not vindicated by the state prosecution.
Now, this new sentence will run at the same time as Murdaugh's state financial crimes. He'll also have to pay more than $8 million to his victims. Now, Murdaugh's attorney told reporters that he's not sure yet if Murdaugh will decide to appeal this ruling. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Joseph, thank you.